This is a personal filing cabinet from AOL. It stores your old emails and bookmarks. You need a specialized tool to extract data from this ancient format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's rescue the email. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep PFC file analysis, provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. A PFC file is associated with AOL, America Online, and represents a personal filing cabinet. This file format was used to store email messages, address book entries, and other personal data within the AOL software. It allowed users to organize and archive their AOL communications locally on their computers. The PFC file format is proprietary to AOL and contains a structured database of user data. It is not easily accessible or readable by other email clients or applications. The file structure includes headers, indexes, and data blocks that store the actual email content and associated metadata. AOL developed by AOL serves as the industry application standard for PFC. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows typically exposes only metadata, so proper reading relies on the software built for that data type. The quickest way to solve the failure is to test all compatible openers. Right-click the PFC file and hit Open With. Use AOL if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. When a PFC file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The nature of the PFC format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, use Photoshop. If an image, open the file using Adobe Photoshop. Next, check associated program. If an AOL file, ensure the AOL client is installed and up to date. Finally, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.